the additive manufacturing metal powder recovery and reconditioning system by the powder handling experts from VAC-U-MAX, GEMCO, and VORTI-SIV uses proven technology to fully extract metal powders from the build box, sieve out foreign debris, and reconditions the on-spec powder for future use. Here's how it works. An operator vacuums the reactive or non-reactive metal powders from the build box with the VAC-U-MAX Vacuum Conveyor. The powders are discharged into the VORTI-SIV sieve deck. Oversized particles are separated and the reusable powder collects in the feed bin. The powder is transferred from the VAC-U-MAX feed bin to the GEMCO Blender or dryer. The blender version takes powders from multiple printers and generates a new homogenous mix. The dryer version removes moisture that ruins powder flowability and makes it flow like water once again. The AM-MPRR will revolutionize your metal powder recovery process and do it more ergonomically in about 85% less time and with a more dust-free method than traditional extraction. The GEMCO and VORTI-SIV components are integrated with VAC-U-MAX equipment and are UL certified controls for single-source purchase from VAC-U-MAX. Made in the USA with pride, the AM-MPRR is available from VAC-U-MAX. Reclaim, reclassify, recondition, reuse. Visit vacuumax.com for more information.